Lucy, Princess, first of all, happy Halloween. You guys look so cute. Lucy, what are you? Let's see your costume, huh? Oh my goodness, are you a wonder dog? You sure are. And Princess, what are you? Are you a woodland fairy creature? My goodness gracious, you girls look so cute. Okay, here's some Treatos, There you go, there's a little tree. Here's a little treat. So what I have planned for these two beautiful girls on this wonderful day of Halloween is I'm gonna be dressing up in a blank white sheet, hiding somewhere upstairs, calling their names, and I'm gonna have them come find me. Now I have some tripods, some GoPros set up, so it's gonna be a ton of fun. They both love playing hide and seek. So what's a better adventure than hide and ghost seek on Halloween? Let's get started, huh, you little woodland fairy? Yoo-hoo-yoo! Lucy Lou! Yoo-hoo-yoo! Princess! Yoo-hoo! Boo! Did I get you? Good girl, you got me. Man, that actually worked. That worked. Come here, Princess. I think you saw me first, huh? All right, good job. I got you guys so good. You see that? It's a ghost! Ah! Come here, Princess, come here. Lucy, Princess, congratulations, you both did so good, and you both look so stinking adorable. I literally can't stand it. But you guys obviously found me. It didn't take you too long. I can't wait to make a video out of this, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. But before we head out, they're gonna review some doggy donuts from our own online website, fatpuppystore.com. I'll have a link in the top of this description. But for now, it's time for you guys to review some donuts. Right, Princess, Lucy. No, Princess, stay here. Come here. Oh, that's a huge bite. There you go, use your molars. So the thing that's really cool about these donuts is that oats are the main ingredient, besides the frosting and the fake chocolate on top. That's not real chocolate, and it's completely dog safe. There's not a lot of sugar in these donuts either, and it has a little bit of crunch to it. And Princess, obviously, well, she's loving it. Your dogs will absolutely love it too. You guys can find 8 different kinds of these flavors on our own online website, fatpuppystore.com. I'll have a link in the top of this video's description. Take it easy, Princess. Take it easy. Stay. All right, Lucy. No, you leave it. This is Princess's. You okay, Princess? You okay? Hey. Well, Princess is scarfing hers down as quickly as she can. Lucy, thank you for behaving. Yes, being very respectful. You guys like that, huh? That's your pink donut. Alright everyone, this is gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed how my dogs play hide and ghost seek. Hope you guys are having an amazing Halloween. Lucy, stay here, you antsy little doggy. Okay, or not. Anyways, hope you guys are having an amazing time. Happy holidays, be safe, be blessed. Please take care, and we'll see y'all in the next episode. For now, we're saying pause out.